Max Money Tribe, Max Money family, what's going on? It's your boy Alvin, and we are back. I love the energy in the stock market today. Now, if you've been following me on my Instagram channel, Chasing Assets, I told you about 11 a.m. this morning. I love the SPY calls. I love the NEO calls. We're going to talk about it. But I also showed you yesterday how to hedge those options, those calls, those puts, if you don't have any more day trades left, and it paid off beautifully. I got some more big news, but let's check it out. Portfolio currently sitting at $2,465.71, another $300 day, up on the week, month looking good because I just jumped back into this portfolio. And before we get into the video, got some major NEO projections, man. NEO today, earnings at 9 p.m. But some major news bigger than that, man. I convinced my son to finally buy some stocks. You know, he's only a youngin', but he got his first two stocks right here, Roblox. I won't sell them until he tells me to, and he has to hold them at least a minimum of a month. That way he can understand a little bit more how the stock market works. He knows pretty much ups and downs, let it play out. So that is huge news, man. I'm super proud of him. I dropped that 100 in there. He paid me for his stock, so he actually purchased them. So that is awesome. I feel great about that. Now, yesterday, I had those puts, I had those calls, guys. They played out perfectly with the SPY. I told you I love doing the SPY far as options goes. So this morning, the SPY opens up and then it drops a little bit. That's where I let go of those puts. That one put I had, I rode those calls up. I bought them for about $108 a piece. I sold the first one for $120. I sold the next one for $130, $135, and $140, and it continued to run off. But once it cooled down right here is where I decided to load up on another call. And now I'm up $93 off of that call, as you see right there, $198. So looking beautiful. The SPY is up. Also, NEO is up. I told you about this call. I bought it for $99 this morning, and it ran off. So this video is a NEO video. So let's jump into it. NEO has earnings today after hours. But what time? 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Because you got to figure, China is a little bit behind, and that's where they're going to be broadcasting this from, I believe. So it is a little bit behind. Projections on this, we go for the year out. NEO is beat down 45%. The past month, they are up 10% because they had got that ugly at one point. So March 14th, they were down to $14, and now they're slowly climbing out of that hole. Can they make a push? You see, after hours, they're trying to, up to $23 almost. But let's get into this article I found right here. What to expect out of NEO. Let me know down in the comments. Will NEO take off? Will it crash? Let me know. I hope to have this video out soon, so you'll have plenty of time to react. So the ticker symbol has been badly beaten down. Shares have declined about 31% compared to the S&P 500, which is normally 7% to 5% down. So right here, NEO management likely will face questions about its compliance with auditing standards on the conference call that begins 9 p.m. because there was scares, there was FUD about delisting NEO. NEO has been in compliance. They are one of the leaders in Chinese stocks as far as compliance and following through with the rules. They understand the game and do not be scared. And if you do hear that again, it's obviously FUD and it's a great time to buy. So right here, they are expecting a loss of 14 cents a share from the 1.5 billion it has in sales. In the fourth quarter of 2020, NEO reported a loss of 16 cents for 1 billion in sales. So they're almost, getting that. They're already halfway up to 2 billion, and that's beautiful. But also, I want you to step back for a second. Think about fuel cost. It's just going to continue to drive and push the incentive to get these EV vehicles. They have to find another source, something comparable, something competitive to fuel, and EV sectors just have the future play involved. Looking ahead, analysts project the company will generate about 10 billion in sales, up from about 5.6 billion expected for all of 2021. So right there, they're doubling their sales. Option markets imply NEO stock will move about 11% up or down. And we're looking at the upside. So 11% is a banger. Shares have moved on average about 5% up or down following the past 4-quarter reports. So this is a big one either way. Despite recent headwinds, Wall Street loves NEO stock. More than 90% of analysts cover the stock, rate shares at a buy. So don't listen to the FUD. Follow the big money, follow the analysts, follow the sales. Everything's adding up to a banger of a quarter of reporting. The average analyst price target for NEO shares is about $48, up almost 120% from where it's at right now. You just saw I said it pushed $23. $48 is the price target. Need I say more, man? NEO should be on your list of stocks to acquire. It's a future play. It's a great long-term hold, no matter what the stock market is looking like. But you have to trade safely and trade how you like. Now, where do I project NEO? I project it to jump up well over $23. I think it will push $24 with this earnings report. Maybe jump up about $2 and maybe even test 25 maybe. So if we go out for a month long, we go here. So it's right there at 23. So that's where we got a little resistance. So we go out for the 3-month. So 25 is in this range where it consolidated before. So I'm thinking it pushes well over 23, possibly 24, but 25 is the high I see it going to try to test this range in the next coming days or month, $25 range. So let's hope for it. But we see the numbers are looking beautiful for NEO. So family, let me know. Did you make money in the stock market today? Drop a comment below. Shout out to my son again, man, for getting into the stock market. I'm so proud of him, man. It's a great moment. We keep making money. We can do it as a family. We can do it as a tribe. I appreciate you guys. Hit that subscribe button, smash the thumbs up, and drop a comment below, man. I love y'all. Let's keep growing this channel. Let's keep growing our community of traders. I appreciate every single one of y'all.